We are the family businesses. We are the ones who see our students come through. I provide them their glasses in the fall. You know, I have a direct impact in my community, but it becomes more and more difficult each and every year to make decisions on whether or not we can provide health care or whether or not we have to cut jobs. So I'm asking, and I'm calling on this great nation to say, Congressmen and legislators, you have people behind you. This is a just cause.
Thank you. I think.
And there is nothing more democratic than the entrepreneurial spirit in the United States. And right now, the entrepreneurial spirit of this country is in cardiac arrest. And many of the people that are here today who have stories far beyond, and those of us who are business owners who have had diagnosis ourselves and have, after a short period of time of treatment for cancer, my premiums doubled immediately. And I was told in the next year that I could look forward to the same. So for all of us to have the courage to have businesses, to start businesses, to employ other people, there is nothing more democratic than that right.
I'm here in support of health care.
I'm here to advocate for health care reform in the United States. It's a competitive advantage for our economy.
I'm here because small businesses cannot afford insurance.
We're here to fight for health care, to make some changes, put some pressure on our senators, specifically congressmen from Maine. They have important votes, and we're trying to sway them a little bit, or a lot.
I am sick and tired of health insurance companies beating me up on every front of my life. I have a passion for children. I have a passion for medicine. I went into medicine to care for children. And over the last 10 or 15 years, I have not only had the task of caring for children, but also fighting for every dollar that I work for, I have to fight for.
And I'm here to try to get change in our healthcare system. I would love to see a public option in place so that these private insurances can compete with some realistic figures as far as the premiums, as far as affordability, as far as insurance for all and not denied insurance. So I really would love to see a change.
I'm here to support all the young guys in the fishing industry who have no insurance at all and no hope of getting insurance unless they come up with something, and hopefully to influence Olympia Snow and Susan Collins to change their mind a little bit.
And I believe that the situation is becoming unsustainable, more and more challenging for the average person. I don't want this to continue, and I want to make a difference for my sake, my family's sake, and everybody else's sake.
The day's been excellent. What we're finding is that the members of Congress, the senators and representatives who are on the fence about health care reform, needed to hear the messages these small businesses have brought today. They need to hear that rising costs have got to get under control. They need to hear that small businesses, as well as individual consumers, deserve choices.
The small business people of this country clearly see that we could easily see the breaking of the backbone of the economy of our state and of our nation. We cannot afford to continue like this. It's killing us. It's killing the small businesses of this country. Next year, at the rate that my insurance premium is going up, I will not be able to afford it.
I need folks on the bus to know that while we thought it might take a few days, a few weeks to really start turning the votes of the swing votes in Congress, already Dina Titus of Nevada has promised to vote for health reform on the floor of the House of Representatives.